Okay, so if you're using HubSpot and you want to automatically identify which leads are most likely to convert, predictive lead scoring is exactly what you need. In this guide, I'll show you how to use HubSpot's predictive lead scoring feature step by step. Yeah, in a way that actually makes sense. Before we jump in, quick overview. Predictive lead scoring uses HubSpot's data and machine learning to rank leads based on how likely they are to become customers. Instead of guessing, HubSpot analyzes real behavior and past conversions, so, it's way more accurate. Now, to set this up, go to the top right corner and click the settings icon. From there, navigate to Properties, then search for lead score. This is where HubSpot manages both manual and predictive scoring. Here, look for the predictive lead score property. If it's not active yet, HubSpot will prompt you to turn it on. Once enabled, HubSpot automatically starts analyzing your contacts based on historical conversion data. So, yeah, no rules needed. Each contact gets a score, usually from 0 to 100. Higher scores mean higher conversion probability. You can use this score to quickly spot hot leads without digging through every single contact. Next, and this is important, use predictive scores in lists and filters. You can create active lists for high scoring leads or sort your contact views so your sales team always focuses on the best opportunities first. You can also plug predictive lead scores into workflows. For example, when a lead crosses a certain score, you can automatically notify sales, assign an owner, or enroll them in a follow up sequence. I mean, this is where it really saves time. And that's it. That's how to use HubSpot predictive lead scoring to prioritize leads automatically without manual guesswork. Once this is running, your sales and marketing teams stay aligned and you focus on leads that actually matter. Hello, everyone, and